Do you ever feel like quitting your job and booking a one-way ticket to a Caribbean island so you can wake up to sunsets like this and go to beaches like this and constantly feel like this? Well, I have.
Guys, if what I just described is something you really want to do, subscribe to this channel. 10th of October 2022, my daughters and I are moving to Jamaica, one-way ticket booked, single mum, taking her 2 daughters abroad alone. I've quit work and I'm moving. I have to find somewhere to live, I have to find a school for my daughter, I have to try and find a car and just genuinely start a new life, alright? So if it's something that you've wanted to do and you're not too sure about it, subscribe, follow my journey. Hopefully I can inspire you. It's unscripted. I don't know what's going to happen as much as you don't know what's going to happen. But guys, if it's something you've wanted to do, quit your job and move, follow me. I'm doing it. 10th of October 2022. Yay, here we come.